you're in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, and you're looking for some Asian food, you might want to consider Let's Pho for some Vietnamese cuisine. Let's Pho is located conveniently close to the malecon, just across from the Lázaro Cardenas Park, in the romantic zone of Puerto Vallarta. Friends of ours highly recommended this place, and this time when they were going, they took us along, and we sure are glad they did. Vietnamese cuisine. Reservation under Chauvet. Nicole. We arrived for our reservation time at 6:30, and as you can see, there's lots of tables open here. A few couples were there, but I will say that by 7 o'clock, the place was hopping and full. So if you want to come here, I would probably want to make a reservation, especially on a weekend. The restaurant has both indoor and outdoor tables. When we arrived, all the outdoor seating was occupied. I think there was at least 4 tables consisting of 4 seats each. And there had to be at least 20 tables on the inside, plus a large bar where you could sit at as well. I will have to say I enjoyed the decorations in this restaurant. It made it very relaxing. The scenes on the wall were all Asian or Vietnamese scenes. These large murals or paintings were just perfect to set the atmosphere for our meal. Here's to a great meal at Pho.
Have spring rolls shrimp.
Excellent.
A peanut sauce.
A peanut sauce. Oh,
Yes.
sounds good. And what do you got for somebody else, Sarah? You can leave
Shrimp dumplings.
shrimp dumplings. You want to leave that with us too? So we started off the evening by having a few drinks, and then we were served our spring rolls as an appetizer. Shortly after finishing that, they brought out our main courses. We all ordered a different dish, and everybody seemed to be extremely satisfied.
Coconut chicken curry.
Coconut chicken curry. That looks excellent. Our friend Ed ordered their vermicelli bowl, I believe with chicken or beef, and then it also comes with some egg rolls. Our wives ordered what they call rock and roll beef and rock and roll chicken, served with rice and a lot of vegetables. There were so many things to choose on the menu. All looked really interesting. I'm glad we chose 4 different dishes so we could get a real sense of what this restaurant has to offer. Definitely all the food we had was delicious, and we definitely want to come back and try something new. I should say something that we haven't tried ourselves. So we'll definitely be coming back here. For those of you interested in what this restaurant has to offer, I've posted the menus at the end of this video. Complete menu, but I found the picture a little bit blurry, so I also posted some close-ups so you get an idea of exactly what the price is for the various dishes. Now the one on the second page of the menu, they have their pho offering. My understanding is pho is actually a Vietnamese soup. It's a staple. They fill it with not only the broth, but rice as well as meat, and I guess the broth or the meat absorbs all the spices and becomes very, very savory. I didn't have a chance to try that, but I think that will be on my list for the next time I'm in, because when I go to Vietnamese restaurants, I normally do have the soup. I know now is really called pho. At least that's my understanding. So as promised, here are a few pictures of the menu, the complete menu, and then a few close-ups of the individual items that we had this evening. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Very much appreciate your support so I can grow this channel.